the remainder of western lower Michigan, temperatures were between 79 and 83 degrees. At Ludington, it was sunny. It was mostly sunny at Grand Rapids, Muskegon, and Benton Harbor. At Kalamazoo, it was partly sunny. In southeast lower Michigan, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 81 and 82 degrees. Across northern lower Michigan, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 80 and 82 degrees. In the upper peninsula, Sault Ste. Marie was 74 degrees under sunny skies.
There it is.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan. The signal you just heard is our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat for severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal.
My weather radio just went off.
We'll activate the warning alarm tone
My
for hazardous
micro
watches
talk.
and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device.
Conditions around the area of 11 a.m.
Nice.